Hello WordPress warriors, I'm Trevor, and in this video we're diving into a topic that's vital for every business owner: backing up your WordPress website. It's all about safeguarding your investment, both in time and money. Let's get started. So first, let's talk about the importance of backups. Protecting your investment. Your website represents hours of hard work and financial investment. A proper backup strategy ensures that you never lose what you've built. Recovery from mistakes and attacks. Whether it's a human error or a malicious attack, backups allow you to restore your site quickly. Next, choosing a backup method. Manual backups. You can manually back up your site through your hosting control panel, but it requires regular attention. Automated backups. Using plugins or hosting services that offer automated backups saves time and also ensures regular backups. Next up, selecting a backup plugin. Popular backup plugins. So tools like Updraft Plus, Backup Buddy, and WordPress are popular choices for automated backups. Now, when it comes to features to look for plugins that offer scheduling, cloud storage integration, and easy restoration. And next, setting a backup schedule. So frequency matters. Depending on your site's activity, you might need daily, weekly, or monthly backups. Also consider real-time backups. For highly dynamic sites, real-time backups capture every change as it happens. Next up, choosing a storage location. So we have to talk about local storage. Storing backups on your server is an option, but not recommended as the only solution. Next up, cloud storage. So services like Dropbox, Google Drive, or Amazon S3 provide secure and accessible storage for your backups. So storing your backups in a separate location ensures that you have access to them if the hosting server goes down. Next, testing your backups. So it's important to do regular testing. Make sure you test your backups regularly to ensure that they're working correctly. Restoration process. So familiar yourself with the restoration process to minimize downtime in case of an emergency. And next, backing up content in database. So it's important to do a full site backup. So this includes all files, themes, plugins, and the database. And then there's also partial backups. So sometimes you may only need to back up specific parts of your site, like the content or database. Next up, working with a professional. So consider professional services. If managing backups seems overwhelming, professional services can handle it for you, providing peace of mind. Backing up your WordPress site is like having an insurance policy for your online business. It's a small step that can save you a tremendous amount of time, money, and stress. Do you need help with your WordPress website? We offer monthly support services that include 24/7 speed and security monitoring, backups, upgrades, edits, and unlimited technical support. I'll put the link below to see the full details and also for you to sign up. If you found this guide helpful, please give us a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress wisdom. Have a backup tip or question? Leave it in the comments down below. Thanks for watching, and remember, a well backed up website is a well protected investment. See you next time.